Hey y'all, this is the 3-in-1 Toro Ultra Plus. It's a vacuum, blower, and a leaf shredder, and it comes with everything that you see here. It comes with a huge bag to capture all of your shredded leaves. And then this is the vacuum mode where it can suck up all of the leaves from the ground and grass. And there are very fast rotating blades that just shred it up and it goes right into this bag. It does have another configuration where you can remove this and then you can put this underneath to kind of just as a guard from the blades, and then you can attach this for the blower. This is an optional piece if you wanted this blue part and also this end to kind of disperse the air. This is for cord management, so if you want to wrap your cords at the end around this blue part and like the end of that all the way around, then you could do so just for better cord management if you prefer. And then the way that it's operated though, it does have this control where you can, it's a variable speed, so depending on how far you turn it, you get additional power as a result of that. It's super powerful both ways, vacuuming and blowing. And what I really like here is also the strap, so that you make sure you can hold on to the bag comfortably so it's not flapping all around. But overall, I've had this for about 4 to 5 seasons now, and it's served me pretty well. Hope you all found this helpful. Have a great day.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.